Hello everyone! In this video I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create this beautiful bun. This bun is very popular and I've already posted one method for making it on my channel. However, there are many techniques, so I decided to film another version. In my opinion, it's even easier. So I hope you'll like this tutorial. As usual, we start with the parting, which is standard for most updos. Next, I divide the lower section into fairly large strands and use a 28mm curling iron to curl the hair towards the center. I curl all the hair in 3 large rows. Here we don't need the curls themselves but the texture, so we can curl in large sections. Just make sure that the hair isn't straight after curling. It should be heated and have a good wave texture. As you can see, the hair is crimped from the root, which simplifies our task of creating beautiful even volume from the root. In this hairstyle, as in all updos, volume is especially important. I often talk about the necessity of correct proportions in my online lessons. Here we not only create even root volume using crimping and teasing with powder, but also add hair with clips for a voluminous and beautiful shape of the bun itself. I hope you like this hairstyle and it inspires you to create it. I'll be waiting for your comments and suggestions on this video. Enjoy watching! Unlock 7 days of free access to my complete styling course on Patreon. Enjoy over 70 hours of videos in English, lists of essential products and tools, exclusive courses on boho styles, waves, curls and more. Plus, get the wave and glam hair transformation course. Join now and start your free trial today.